Today we're just going to answer a few questions. We've got lots of inquiries about, they understand how it's going to work really well in the slashing position, but doing upright edges, and everyone does them differently today. I'm going to start it up, just run a few edges. Everyone's going to do things differently, but I'm going to show you how the Darwin script can apply to all styles of trimming and how it can be a plus for your business. So as you can see, for anyone who does their edges like this, you can probably get pretty good value. Me personally, I can't do a clean edge like this to save my life. What I do is I do the upright edges, so I just hit it down, bang, straight into it, and then back into the slashing position. We quite often will run upright edges, and then depending on the heights that we're mowing at, we have to soften those edges, to just bring them in a little bit. So then when you're doing lots and lots of, we call it softening, you're in this position, so anyone would be able to find really good value in that. Now, what we want everyone to do is jump on the website, catchpro.com.au, get on the social media pages, have a look at some of the feedback that's coming in. Anyone who's already got one out there, we want to hear your feedback. People who haven't got one yet, okay, we can see how this is going to really help you stand up straight in this position, but doing upright edges, they don't know how this applies, but hopefully this demo answers some questions. So jump on that, and we just want to see you guys get some good gear. Thanks.